Hello dearies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. Today we are doing product review. This lotion is a lotion almost everybody's talking about this lotion, but I just want to make my own review. We have good reviews on it, we have bad reviews, but I just want to make my own review on this lotion. I've used this lotion to do a pro-mixing on this channel. Yeah, the last pro-mixing I did, you can feel free to check out the pro-mixing video. I did that pro-mixing on this channel. I gave that lotion to one of my subscribers, and lo and behold, the lotion was very good on her skin. So the lotion I'm talking about is Whitening lotion. So this Whitening lotion, I've checked the pH level of this lotion. Yeah, I realized that it's not even acidic, even though it was even though they wrote fruit acids, that it contains fruit acid, a lot of fruit acid. But I was so surprised when I realized that. Imagine Cotonou cream that is not acidic, because my belief is that all Cotonou cream, they are very acidic, but this one is perfectly balanced. People that made it, they try. Yes, so Whitening lotion is a whitening lotion. Believe me, they wrote lightning milk, forget it. They now wrote super rapide. I think they wrote that in French, but this lotion is a whitening lotion. This is a whitening lotion. Yes, one of my friends used this lotion. That was why I had to use this lotion to make a pro mix. Yes, I had to try a whitening pro mix with this lotion, and it came out just as they were talking about it. Yeah, it whitens the skin. And again, if you want to ask me if this lotion will give you stretch mark, if it will give you green vein, yes, it will, for the fact that the pH level of this cream is well balanced. It does not mean that it will not give you green vein. Though the ingredients here, they only wrote aqua, glycerol, vitamin E, paraffin liquid, beta carotene. So, they didn't really indicate if it contains hydroquinone, but I want to believe that this cream either contains hydroquinone or it contains steroids. Yes, because the speed at which it lightens up the skin, I don't think this cream is without any of this chemicals I've just mentioned now. Because believe me, an organic cream, natural skincare cream will not whiten your skin. Natural skincare cream will brighten up your skin. Yeah, it will brighten up your skin as times goes. As you use it, it will brighten up your skin, but it will give you glow. It will ensure that your skin is not damaged. Yeah, it will not damage your skin. I've never seen natural skincare products that will give green vein. If you're using a natural skincare product and you got whites in 1 week, 2 weeks, it is not natural. If you are using a natural skincare product and you got green vein, is a lie. It's not natural. If you are using natural skincare product and you got stretch mark, it is a lie. It's not natural. Okay, it's not natural. Natural skincare products will not give you all this. Natural skincare product will not whiten you. Natural skincare product will brighten your skin. Okay, it will give you 1 to 2 shades lighter skin. Then another thing is that even when you're doing skin lightening and you go beyond 2 shades, man, that one not die. I mean, you're beginning to kill yourself. Oh, believe me, at least 1 to 2 shades is better. Yes, is enough for your skin. 1 to 2 shades is enough for your skin. Anything more than 2 shades is not safe anymore for you. Okay, so back to this lotion. Now, how do you use this lotion? If you don't want to have green vein, you don't want to have stretch mark, but you want to lighten up with this lotion, this is how you use this lotion. Remember, on my channel, I will always tell you that do not apply whitening cream 247. Do not apply every day. every day. You don't apply lightening cream that way. See, the truth is that when you're doing skin lightening and you've achieved the complexion you want, okay, step down, go for more of moisturizer, go for more of glow oil. In fact, let me show you guys my glow oil because it's here in my wardrobe. Okay, this was what I applied today. Okay, after I had my bath, I applied my glow oil. You can see my glow oil. There are herbs in this oil which the oil is infusing. Okay, you can see the color of the oil, you can see. So when you're applying lightening cream, please don't kill yourself. Do not apply 247. If you've achieved the skin tone you want, step down. Okay, step down and be using that lightening cream as a maintenance to maintain that color you have achieved. Do not use 247 again, because the more you keep on using, the more your skin becomes thin, and your skin will now get thin to the extent that your skin will not show again. It's only vein that will be showing, and that will not look good for you. That is when you will now go about, you go to from one GM to another looking for green vein remover. See, who told you that there is a particular oil that removes green vein? It's a lie. We all have green vein. God has given you green vein. Okay, it's now depend on what you did that made your green vein to show. Okay, some people naturally they have plenty green vein in their body. Okay, when they do small whitening, the green vein will come out. Like some people, especially the skinny type like me, that I'm skinny, if I just do any skin whitening, the first thing you will start seeing is green vein, and I don't like that. So use your whitening cream for maintenance, for that skin tone maintenance that you have achieved. After you have achieved it, do not use it every day again. So if you want to use this lotion, okay, you want to use this lotion for a start, I will always say make sure you scrub your skin 3 times in a week. Then for a start, as a dark person, in fact, I don't even advise you use this lotion to start, because if you want to start skin lightening, you take it gradually. Do not use whitening cream to start skin lightening. First of all, start using brightening lotion. From brightening lotion, go for anything lightening. Okay, you take it bit by bit. By doing that, your skin will be flawless. Your skin will rhyme. But as a dark person, you want to go and use this one. There's every possibility that you're going to have Fanta and Coke discoloration. So now, if you want to use this, start by scrubbing your skin 3 times in a week. Then be applying this lotion. Apply this lotion in the night. Okay, be applying this lotion in the night, because this lotion contains fruit acid. Then if you're not going out for that day, let's say you will be indoor all through, you can apply this lotion and stay in the house. Okay, you can apply and stay in the house. But let's assume that you're going under the sun, you want to go and do the hustle for the day, and you're the type that goes out under the sun. Do not apply and go under the sun. So after you've been applying this lotion and you've gotten the color you want, okay, you've gotten the color you want, please just respect yourself and go for a glow oil or body moisturizer. Anything glow oil or body butter, not whitening body butter, body butter, something that will moisturize your skin. You can go for a hydrating body moisturizer, something that will hydrate your skin, and be applying, so that you'll be able to recover from the whatever damage this will be preparing for your skin. So skincare is using it with sense. When you want to do skin lightening, you do it with sense. Okay, when you want to apply anything lightening lotion, you apply it with sense, so that you will not damage yourself. So when you now step down, let's assume you've stopped using this every day. Okay, you're applying a body moisturizer, or you're applying a body butter, or you're applying a body glow oil. But make sure that whatever you're applying is herbal, because herbs also have their own impact they play on your skin. Okay, they have their own benefits what they do, they have a way of repairing your skin also, though depending on the kind of herb that your oil contains or that your oil was infused with. Okay, so you're applying your oil daily. Okay, you apply morning, you apply your oil night, then let's say the next day you apply your oil in the morning, then in the night for the next day you apply your lightening lotion. Just make sure that you add this to your routine, but it has to be like 3 times in a week or 4 times in a week, only at night. Do not apply in the daytime. Do not apply and go under the sun, because if you apply and go under the sun, you're going to have burn. You start having redness, your skin will start becoming red, your green vein, everything will start coming out. Okay, so when you apply this lotion, the way I've explained to you, when you add it into your routine, your skincare routine, and you apply it 3 or 4 times in a week only at night, you will not have green vein, you will not have stretch mark. Okay, you will see that your skin will even out, your skin will brighten up, and your skin will glow, because you're hydrating your skin, you're moisturizing your skin. So when you're using bleaching products and you don't want your skin to spoil, you have to know how to alternate it. You have to know how to substitute one product to another. Okay, and again, do not use bleaching soap when you're using anything bleaching cream. Don't use bleaching soap. Don't use bleaching soap when you're using bleaching cream. Okay, your cream is a leave-on product and it's going to work on your skin. Okay, just look for a good soap that will hydrate your skin, that will wash off the dirt off your skin, that is calm, that is mild. Then let your whitening lotion do the work. Okay, but just make sure you alternate it so that you will not have green vein and stretch mark. So that is my own tip on how you can use this lotion, because believe me, it's so easy to damage your skin, but it's very, very difficult to repair your skin. I've used harsh chemicals in the past and I know how it's damaged my skin, and believe me, till now I'm still trying to repair my skin. Yes, you cannot flog me if I tell you the truth. By the way, I'm still trying to repair the skin. Okay, it's not so easy repairing your skin. So when you're using whatever thing you're applying on your skin, always have it at the back of your mind that what goes around comes around. Believe me, when you're in your youthful age and you're applying all kind of bleaching cream, I'm not saying skin lightening is bad, but when you want to do it, do know how to do it. I have so many people that comes to my DM, especially matured women, that comes with bonds. Sometimes when you see some people's face, even you yourself that you're selling the cream, you will be scared for your old age. That is why I stopped using harsh chemical. Believe me, I stopped using anything harsh chemicals, because when I start getting to 45, 50, I wouldn't want to start looking for solution here and there on how I can heal my face, because the worst place you can have issue on the part of your body is your face. The worst place ever that you can have issue with is your face. So when you're using all these products, please mind the way you use them. Okay, mind the way you expose yourself to the sun, and do not joke with sunscreen, especially when you're using skin lightening. Sunscreen is very, very important in your routine. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you enjoy my content, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you will hear that I have dropped a video. Thank you so much. Bye.